back to another show of Eating with Evie. Today we're at breakfast at this restaurant where we're getting pancakes, strawberries, and much more. So, oh, you just can't resist the smell of the pancakes. The pancakes smell so good.
Louder.
Here you go. On the tray?
Yep, perfect.
All right. Okay, no oatmeal.
So, what we're gonna do is next try some bacon. This one feels good. Now we'll see what the sauce tastes like. I don't really know,
Okay.
but it's amazing. So, would you like some strawberries and syrup?
Good?